Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new spreadsheet and naming it so you never lose context. Choose the correct locale and default currency, because formulas like date and currency formatting depend on that choice. Once done, add a clear header row with column labels and freeze it so headers stay visible while you scroll. Make sure to set basic permissions now. Editors can change formulas, viewers cannot, so you avoid accidental edits. Now enter a few sample rows to confirm formats work as expected. Next, you structure calculations and layout. Decide which columns hold raw inputs versus computed values, and use named ranges for clarity. Start building formulas like equals sum, a2, a100, and equals if b20, b2 asterisk 0, 050, 0, while using $1 to lock references when needed. Apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers, and add data validation to limit entries to lists, numbers, or dates, so collaborators follow rules. Once formulas work on sample data, duplicate the sheet to test formulas on a fresh copy without risking live data. To finish, tidy up. Protect critical ranges, name key ranges, and set explicit sharing permissions so contributors have appropriate access. Create filter views for different analyses and build a pivot table for quick summaries. Use the Explore tool to surface charts and formula suggestions. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Inspect formula syntax, confirm ranges include the right rows, and verify cell formats, text versus number. If you still see errors, revert to a recent version and step through changes to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.